Inside of the boiler is looking good. And turn the heat on because it's pretty cold here, so I'm going to warm up in a sec here. So here's the grill we're going to be cooking on tonight. It's called a Conroe grill. It's like a Japanese ceramic barbecue, and it's got little like air vents on the side here to control the temperature, and a nice grate on top that you can put the skewers and meat on. And I got this specialty charcoal called Ogatan charcoal. It burns really hot and long, and pretty quick. I'm going to be getting that in the fire to get it lit and put it back in the grill here. So tonight I got some like marinated short rib, and I got made some yakitori skewers. Got some vegetables and tofu and pork belly, and we're going to grill it up. What I'm drinking tonight is I'm going to have some Sapporo and some soju because I'm having Korean barbecue. So what you do is you mix the soju with the beer, and it's kind of like a thing when you're having Korean barbecue. And I might get into some of my classic Bacardi white rum and Coke Zero. Only my closest friends know that's my go-to. I'm not drinking beer. Let's party. Okay, got those coals in the grill here. I'm gonna let those sit and just kind of fully light, and you know, just kind of coals like take a while to like get to the right temperature. Sometimes they're too hot and then they kind of settle down, and then it's the right time to cook. So while we wait for those to heat up, let's make some soju and beer. Okay, so here's your soju. You put like a shot in, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. Sapporo. I don't have any Korean beer, but Japanese is gonna have to work. Cheers. Okay, so we got some pork belly going on the grill here. It's good to always like with the you're in the Korean barbecue and stuff, always start with pork belly because it's got a lot of fat and stuff, so it greases up the grill real nice. So I'll salt that a bit, and yeah, kicking it off with the pork belly. Picked up a couple dipping sauces from my local Japanese market. This one is just kind of like a barbecue garlic sauce, and this is a yakitori sauce. It's meant strictly for the chicken. I got the barbecue sauce in this one right here. I'm dipping the pork belly in it. Cheers. Okay, now I'm going to put on a yakitori skewer and a tofu and green onion skewer. And we're just going to salt and pepper that. Let that cook. Okay, let's put a little bit of yakitori sauce in there, so we're going to flip these now. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, there you go. It's green onion and chicken. It's like from a drumstick. I dissected a drumstick and made a yakitori. Take a bite of that. That's really good. It's a good bite right there. Just enjoying life. try to go to bed, okay? Too cold. Go night night. You lay down. I'll come to bed soon, okay? Night night. So, bit of a situation. The heater kind of went out. I don't know what's going on, but I just got to make sure I keep Chuck warm, so I got him all tucked up in his blankets. He seems okay. But I'm just going to turn the battery off and just kind of sit things out by the fire and then fire it up later, and hopefully the heater goes back on. Trying to get the heat going in here. Charlie's okay. He's like, I got him bundled in literally every blanket I have, but it's cold. It's probably like -4 right now, so trying it again. I just clicked the button, so we'll see how it does. Poor little butt. Gotta keep him warm somehow. Okay, we got the heat on. I'm full. Charlie's comfortable, so I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. We'll make coffee, and then that's the end of it. Good night.
Give me, because this is the one. First of all, why is it the fryers? What were they?